January 16th, 2014. Guys, this is the above-ground building at CERN in Geneva, Switzerland, part of that underground super collider. And this is what I was asking Anthony Patch about. And notice how similar it is to the antenna at the top of the Nikola Tesla tower, guys. Identical dimensions and proportions. And in our discussion about CERN and the opening of the StarGate that these scientists are trying to do, and how that relates directly to the key to the bottomless pit. This demonic entities coming upon this earth. But Anthony Patch will be with us tomorrow. He's author of Covert Catastrophe, and he's been with us before. And this is one of the things. And this is an overlay, guys, of comparing that magnet to the inside of the United Nations building. Look at the size of this thing. And why am I doing this? Because not only do they have Shiva there, the god of destruction that dances between the dimensions there, but they also are building these around the world in Gainesville, in Florida, in Illinois. And guys, in the United Nations building, there's what's called a meditation room, and it's a cult. They're setting this thing up with these giant magnets, and right in the middle of this occult meeting room that's hidden inside the United Nations building, right on this ley line, right in this section of the earth that's going to be between the Illinois Collider and CERN. What is going on? This is a picture of it. It's one of the world's largest magnets. Now, and also notice the pyramids in the back there, and that painting, guys. That's what we're dealing with here. We're dealing with the occult elite getting ready for the kings to give their power. Now, also on tomorrow's show, I think I've got it set up to where I can take like three-way conference calls, and I've sent out a call to Michael to come in and join Anthony and I on the show. I have not heard back whether or not he has the time. I'm sure he would love to if he can, so it may turn out to be a really fantastic blog talk show. If I need to go 2 hours on it, we will on that, guys. But things are really getting interesting. And on the fireball reports, they're still coming in. Again, the ones in Europe are not the same as the ones we're seeing here in the U.S. Different colors, different meteor storms is what we're dealing with. But again, there's a lot going on with this CERN thing, guys, and it's got a lot to do with these end times and what they're trying to do. Heads up, be safe.